Today we're starting a new project here in Galveston. We're gonna be doing new wiring, new plumbing, new AC, changing the floor plan, and adding a new kitchen. This week we had about 3 days work, but we actually made pretty good progress. We removed all the tile, we removed all fixtures, all electrical fixtures. Here are the kitchen countertops that we may salvage for something else. All outlets are out. We're gonna rewire the whole house. Like fixtures are out. We can see different stages of different wiring. On the bathrooms, we removed all furniture that was in here, toilet, the vanity. In the kitchen, we removed the floor, the tile that was here, and also all cabinets and appliances. Right now, we have still the fridge inside, 2 fridges inside. Here's the second one. And in the dining room, we removed all the mirrors because we're gonna open this space as a buffet bar area going into the kitchen. Upstairs, again, we removed all existing outlets, and we also took away everything in the master bathroom, toilet, vanity, and all light fixtures. Next week, we're gonna remove the bathroom here that is left, and we still have to remove a couple of layers here because we wanna make this floor going flush into the kitchen. So we might have to remove this top layer of plywood and also the one under here. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.